in the Bambu slicer, there's a way to change the color of an object. You select the object and then you go up into the scroll area in the upper right, select the paint bucket and go from there. But if you have objects within what you're trying to 3D print, you can select those objects individually and change their filament color. I didn't realize this until today. If you come over, click on one of the objects. So here I have 3 that are built together. So that's the body of a keychain. And then I have 2 text boxes. So select one of the colors of text. So here we go. And then you right click and that will bring a pull down menu. There we go. And then go down to change filament. And do exactly what it says, change the filament. I have the video placed on 1/5 speed, so you can actually see what I'm doing. So that's why there's this kind of weird lag. So I changed biochemistry into orange, and it would print, obviously, that filament. Again, this is really useful because in my first version of the keychain, I did not put 2 and 2 together. I didn't realize I could do this. So what I did is I made the body of the keychain, put the text on top of it, and then with the paint bucket editor, I went in and manually changed the layers of the color. So I'm going to show you how I used to do it. So go over here, click the paint bucket. That will bring you a menu where you've got various tools, a sphere, triangle, by layer, etc. And then you manually go in and change the color of the text. And that works fine if you wanted to do some type of custom painting on the surface or whatever. But if you're trying to change the color, the filament type of some kind of composite object, that again, something that's made of multiple objects, this is the best way to do it. And again, I'm sure this is somewhere in the instructions in Bambu, and I'm sure probably everybody else knows how to do this, but I just figured this out myself today, and I realized how much time I was wasting simply trying to figure out the best way to get the letters one color and the body another without having a layer that overlapped that I didn't want to. So I hope this helps for anybody using this Bambu slicer.